If you are planning on using Disney gift cards to do anything Disney Cruise Line related, then you need to watch this video so you don't lose your money. Why, hello there, Disney Cruisers! Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Ashley. If I have not met you before, hi, I'm addicted to Disney cruising. Are you addicted yet? Because if not, you will be. If you are returning, then please give me a big thumbs up down below so I know that you're here. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, then consider subscribing. It's really cool. So there are two things about using Disney gift cards, a Disney gift card on your cruise that I want to talk to you about. The first thing, if you are paying with Disney gift cards, like beforehand you call up DCL and you give them gift card numbers, or you go online for the DCL website and you type in all your gift card numbers, you need to hold on to your gift cards. Do not throw them away. Do not throw them away. Keep them. Keep your gift cards. I know that if you go to Sam's Club or BJ's, you can get discounted Disney cards. I like to use BJ's because you don't have to be a member. I buy them online. I usually can save between $100 and $200 by doing that. I think the last time I got mailed all my gift cards, it was 26 of them. I had 26 Disney gift cards that I used to pay for my cruise. There are times when Disney will refund you money. And if you paid with a gift card, it can go back on that gift card. If you pay with all gift cards, it will go back on the gift cards. I know there's a Disney website where you can combine your Disney gift cards into one gift card. It might be beneficial if you have 26 of them. Some people think I just have 5 that I'm using, so I don't need to combine them. I'll just give the 5 numbers. That's totally fine. But if you get a reimbursement back for some reason, it will go on one of those cards. The person I spoke to at DCL says they can't really tell which gift card it goes back on, so you need to keep all of them and then check them when you get a reimbursement. You think, but Ashley, I'm not really going to get a reimbursement for anything, so I don't really need to keep them. But you might. Multiple times, port fees have gone down on my cruises, and when that happens, they'll credit you the money back. If you still owe a balance on your cruise, then it's just going to look like your balance went down a little bit. Like say you owed $1,000, but then the port fees went down $15. Well, now it's just saying that you owe $985 instead of the $1,000, even though you didn't pay the $15, you got reimbursed it. If your balance is 0 and you paid with your bank card, it'll go back onto your bank card. If your balance is 0 and you paid with all gift cards, it'll go back on a gift card. You also could get reimbursed money if you use the Florida resident rate after you've already booked your cruise and paid in full. I normally do the Florida resident rate up front, but there was one time where I didn't, and then I went back to get reimbursed. But instead of it going back to gift cards, I just used that money to prepay my tips, and then I put the rest on my onboard account. If I had not used all of my onboard account money, it would have went back on the gift card. If you throw all your gift cards away and they've reimbursed you $15 or $250, you're not going to get your money back. Like, that's money that just went in the garbage. So hold on to your gift cards. The other thing I want to tell you about gift cards are a great way to get your kids excited about going on the trip. You know, you can give them a gift card as a present for like your birthday or Christmas and say you get to spend this on the cruise. This is your souvenir money, whatever you want. Gift cards are great. I know some people even save up for their cruise, like every paycheck they just go to Target and get a gift card for Disney. Totally fine. You can use gift cards on the ship, but you cannot go into the gift shops. You cannot go up to the bartender. You cannot go up to the popcorn stand and hand them your gift card. Everything on the ship is done by signing your name and your room number on a receipt, and then it gets charged to your room. In order to use the money that's on gift cards, you need to go to guest services and have all the gift cards placed on your account. If you want to do this before you get on the cruise, you can call DCL and you can do the same thing. Keep your gift cards. Any money that you don't use will go back onto those gift cards. I use all my money on the cruises, so I don't know who has leftover money, but if you did, it would go back on those gift cards, so keep the gift cards. I mean, the worst case scenario, you don't keep them, you throw them away, you lose any money that you could have gotten back on the gift cards. Like, it's not like they're going to cancel your cruise and say you can't come on the ship because you threw away your gift cards. But just as a public service announcement, if you don't want to lose your money, keep the gift cards. Do you guys like this painting behind me? My husband did that. So I get Disney Cruise Line art for free. Sorry, he's taken. See you next time, cruisers. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.